The electrical resistance of a column of 0.05 molar NaOH solution of diameter 1 centimeter and length 50 centimeter is 5.55 into 10 power 3 ohm. Calculate its conductivity and molar conductivity. First, diameter is given. So first we will calculate the area of cross section. Area of cross section A is equal to pi r square. Pi value is 3.14. Radius, diameter is given as 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter diameter. Radius is 0.5 whole square. We get the area of cross section A is equal to 0.785 centimeter square. Anyway, we have the length, that is distance between two electrodes, is given as 50 centimeters length. 50 centimeters. Now we can use the formula K is equal to G into G star to calculate conductivity. K is equal to, in place of G you can take it as 1 by R into L by EA. And K is equal to 1 by, resistance is given as 5.55 into 10 power 3. 5.55 into 10 power 3. L is 50. A is 0.785. If you calculate this value, we will get 11.47 into 10 power minus 3 Simon centimeter inverse. That is the conductivity. Then molar conductivity, lambda m is equal to, when K is in Simon centimeter inverse, lambda m is equal to K into 1000 by C. K into 1000 by C. K is 11.47 into 10 power minus 3 into 1000 by concentration is 0.05. So here these two will get cancelled. 11.47 by 0.05 is 229.4 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. Approximately 230 Simon centimeter square mole inverse.